MMPC 002, the second course of semester 1, IGNOU MBA, no matter which specialization you have chosen, right? MMPC 2, Human Resource Management. This is a subject which covers more details about staffing, development, performance and compensation systems, employee relations, and things like that. If your specialization is HR management, then definitely this is one of the most important courses of your whole MBA career, right? So this particular course has 14 units and they are divided into four blocks. But when it comes to thinking about those 14 units or those four blocks from a term and examination perspective, not all of these units or even the sections within these units carry the same weightage. Okay, so in this video, what I will do is I will walk you through the most important units and sections of MMPC2 so that you can focus your efforts where they matter the most. Now, we will start with the most important units and sections first, followed by the medium and low priority ones. Okay, so the high priority units are unit number 5, unit number 6, unit number 8, unit number 10, unit number 9. These are the high importance units. Okay, and coming to the medium importance units, we have unit number 1, unit number 11, unit number 12 are the medium importance unit, and unit number 13, unit number 2, unit number 3, unit number 14, unit number 4, and unit number 7. These are all the low importance units. Okay, so now coming to the high importance units 5, 6, 8, 10, and 9. As I said earlier, not all sections of these units are important, so I will tell you which of the sections of these units you have to concentrate more, and so that you can study accordingly. I don't know how much time you have till your term and examination, so I want you to make the most out of it. So in unit number 5, you can concentrate on 5.2, 5.3, 5.4, 5.5, 5.6, and 5.8. These are the units that you need to be focusing on most. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8. From unit number 6, you need to be careful, or you need to concentrate more on section number 6.2, 6.3, 6.4, 6.5, 6.6, and 6.7. Okay, from unit number 8, you need to concentrate on 8.1, 8.3, 8.4, 8.5, 8.6, 8.7, 8.8, and 8.9. These many sections you have to concentrate on. Okay, and unit number 10, you need to focus on 10.1, 10.3, 10.4, 10.5, 10.6, and 10.9. These are the sections of unit number 10 that you need to focus on. Coming to unit number 9, you need to focus on 9.1, 9.2, 9.3, 9.6, 9.8, and 9.9. Okay, so uh, the best suggestion, like I'm recording this this video in August. So if you are starting to study today, I'll say focus on the unit, the and all the sections of these units first. Okay, begin your studies like this. But if you are closer to your examination, you don't have much time, you were not able to start early, in that case, go for these sections at least, or these sections at least from these units. So first, finish studying these units, these sections first, and then once you are thorough with these concepts, move on to the medium importance units. So as I said, medium importance units, we have unit number 1, 11, and 12. They are of medium importance. They have lesser number of questions asked from them compared to these high importance units, right? So unit number 1, I want you to focus on 1.2, 1.3, 1.5, 1.6, 1.7, and 1.8. These many sections. From unit number 11, questions have come from most of the sections. So if you have the time with you, then I will suggest study all the sections from this particular unit. Okay. But if you don't have that much time, then focus on unit sections 11.1, 11.11, 11.14, 11 point, not 14, 11.4, okay, 11.1, 11.11, similarly 11.4, 11.6, 11.7, and 11.8. I know I'm saying the sections in jumbling order. That is because there have been more questions from concepts that are covered in 11.1 and 11.11 more than that have been there from 11.4 or 11.6. So I'm trying to give you in the order of frequency of questions being asked. That is why you can see the section numbers are jumbled a little bit. Let me know in the comments if you prefer these section numbers to be told in the numerical order. Okay, so in that case, from the future in the future videos, I will do it like that. Okay, so in in unit number 12, again, like unit number 11, questions have been asked from many of the sections. If you have the time, study all the sections. But if you don't have that time, then focus on 12.4, 12.5, 12.6, and 12.8. These many sections, please focus on it. Okay, so those were the medium importance units. So once you are done with all the high importance units and the high importance sections, go on to the medium important units and these sections, and then come to the low importance units. Okay, so even though this sorry for the pause. So even though this unit number 13 is a low importance unit, there have been questions asked from this particular unit which tests your overall understanding of the unit. So if you have the time, make an overall understanding of the unit, study all the sections. If you don't have it, then focus on 13.12, 13.3, 13.4, 13.7, and 13.9. So once again, the reason why 13.12 is I've told first is because there have been more questions from 13.12 than from say 13.34 or 7, like that. Okay, so coming to unit number 2, you can focus on 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, 2.5, and 2.6 before you handle any other sections of this unit. Okay, and in unit number 3, focus on 3.2, 3.3, 3.6, and 3.7. Okay, in unit number 14, concentrate on 14.1, 14.5, and 14.9. These are the units sections that are important from unit 14. In unit 4, please concentrate on 4.12, 4.3, and 4.6. And from unit number 7, you have to know about whatever is given in 7.1 and 7.2. These are the only places from where questions have come up in the previous year's term and examination. Right? Now, these are for the essay questions. Now, coming to the section B, case study, right? So, yes, this is a course from where in the previous term and examinations, case studies have come up. So, again, if you are good at reading comprehension and you have the time, then definitely go check out some of the case study questions. In Anu's classroom itself, I have a video explaining how you can handle case studies, how you can handle reading comprehension kind of questions. So again, that will be a good idea if you can go and check that out. If you have any doubts, then you will be able to clear it over there. Any unit or section that I haven't covered so far in this video is because there have not been any questions in term and examination from those particular areas. But still, don't ignore them completely. Once you're done with the units or the sections which I have mentioned in the video, please go ahead and skim through, just read through the ones which I have not mentioned, depending upon how much time you have got. If you have enough time, then definitely study them as well. If you don't have enough time, at least read through it so that you have a general idea of whatever is being covered in them. So that in case, say tomorrow when you appear for your term and examination, if you get a question, you should know what to write. At least something here and there you should be able to write. At least 5 or 6 marks we should be able to get, if not all 20. Correct? So that is our aim here. So before I wrap up, if you have already heard MMPC once exam focus, then I know it might sound repetitive to you. But if suppose say you are hearing or you are coming into Anu's classroom through this video for the first time, then I would just like to give you a few quick tips on how to write answers so that you can score well and you don't have to worry about whether or not you will pass in your term and examination or not. Right? So since you are in the first semester of IGNOU MBA, this must be the first time that you're going to appear for a term and examination. So usually term and examination, how it happens is that when you go, you will be given the question paper along with an answer booklet. This answer booklet will have around 30 pages or so. And that is all that you're going to get for writing your examination. You will not be provided with any additional sheets or supplement sheets or nothing like that. It is just this, what you can say, just this answer booklet. So you need to know exactly how to manage each page of that answer booklet, how much to write, how to write every answer has to be properly planned out. So my general rule of thumb is, if say for example tomorrow I am the person who's going to attend for this term and examination, then I would what I usually do is that I will write one page for 5 marks. So if it is a 20-mark question, then naturally I will be going for 4 pages. This is the target that I will hope to hit. Okay, but not always I might have enough ideas with me or enough content that I can remember, can recollect while I'm writing the term and examination. So I try to stretch the answer to at least 3 pages. So if not four, which is what is ideal according to me, at least 3 pages. So how you can write these 3 pages, correct? So how you can do that is, even if your question has not asked for any examples, you can quote examples that support your answer. Okay, or you can diagrammatically represent the key points that you have written in your answer, or you can summarize points using tables or something like that. You can do similarly. I try to divide my answer into sections, like there will be an introduction, then the main content itself might get divided into multiple sections. Each section will be clearly organized. It will start with a title, and there will be enough blank lines, at least one blank line before and after every section or every paragraph. Things like that I will do in order to hit this 3 pages. That is how I make this 3 to 4 pages. So naturally, you might be thinking, what about the size of the handwriting, right? So mine is an average handwriting. You clearly can see from how I have written all over this page. Mine is an average handwriting, generally medium-sized handwriting usually. So I can do this with enough content. I will be able to fill up this 3 or 4 pages. But say your handwriting is very small, then what can you do? Filling up 3 or 4 pages might take a lot of content, right? So it might not be possible for you. Don't worry. In that case, I will suggest go for around 500 to 600 words. Okay. If you can't hit this 500 mark, then please at least try to hit this 400 mark. 400 word count. So how much ever lines it takes, or how much ever pages it takes for you to hit this 400 500 words is good enough for 20 marks. And if you have a very large handwriting, then oh my god, you guys are so lucky, because you just need to write the key points and this pages will be met, right? You cannot go beyond 4 page for any particular essay question, because you only have 30 pages for writing all the answers. So don't cross 4 pages. Try to keep all answers under 4 pages. Okay, so yeah, that is some of the tips that I would like to share with you. Similarly, if you are attending IGNOU's MBA program after a break in studies, then you might have lost your speed, the handwriting speed, because of not using or not being put under that exam kind of situation for quite some long time, right? So in that case, if that seems to be you, then my suggestion is that you go to IGNOU's website. Previous year question papers are available or over there free for downloading. Anybody can access it. So download some question paper, one of the previous year question papers, set aside some 2 or 3 hours, try to answer it. And the reason why you are answering it is in order to get that kaivarkam. Okay, kaivarkam means to get that what you can say. mm, to get the hang of that writing speed, right? Try to that do that, so that you guys are prepared. You guys don't have won't have any wrist pain or anything like that while you're actually writing your term and examination. And one more wonderful thing that I've seen in IGNOU's term and examination is that questions have been repeated exactly as it is, like word for word repetitions have happened in the term and examination question paper. So as much as possible, try to answer as or go through as many previous year question papers as is possible for you guys, because sometimes whatever we have looked at in the previous year question papers, that same exact question might come in your term and examination also. Similarly, sometimes what happens is that whatever assignment you have written and submitted, right, that same question, whatever you wrote assignment for, that same question has also come up in term and examination. So these are areas where if we are a little bit cautious, or we learn smart while we are preparing for term and examination, no, it will help us gain good marks. Right. So do that if it is possible for you. If you have the time, please do that. We have a few question paper discussion videos in Anu's classroom as well. So you can take a help of that also. Okay, so yeah, those are some of my tips and suggestions on how to you can answer better. So that is it for the focused breakdown of MMPC2. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and share this video with the people you think might benefit from this. Also, humble request, kindly subscribe to Anu's Classroom if you have not done already, and also enable notifications so that you will never miss an update. Also, if you want to have a downloadable version of the most important units of MMPC2 that we just now discussed, then I will put the QR code for the same on the screen. You can scan it and you will have that, right? So happy learning and good luck with your exams.